just shouldn't have defended, basically, in that last.
No, I know. We got 4,000 gold left, roughly. Okay, get a couple of potions. Should have... Let's buy 10 potions. Okay, perfect. Okay, and
Awesome.
let's get our armor up a couple more. How much gold do I have? Okay, we're still good on gold.
I'm blowing through that inheritance.
I know, that inheritance. It's gone. Alright. We'll save us with... I'll buy one more armor just because I like even numbers. Okay. Now we can go ahead and exit and continue on with our journey.
Thanks for stopping by. I'm going to recommend next time here.
Alrighty. You hear a sonic boom. Look up and see something moving like a falling star towards you. It lands with a crash directly in front of you, kicking up dust and debris from the impact. After the haze settles, a figure emerges and calls to you. So, he says in a cocky voice, you really think you can take my balls just like that, eh? Da-da-da-da! This is it. This is the last boss. This is serious stuff, and you shouldn't. Too late. You burst out laughing at Vegeta's expense. Face turning red after realization hits him. Vegeta yells back, "Hey, stop it! I will be taken seriously." Go ahead, Jalen.
Sure, I'm taking this very seriously.
You reply in between fits of laughter. Enough! Let's finish this so that you can be taught some proper respect. Wiping the tears from your eyes and ignoring the stitch in your side, you square up and turn to face your final opponent.
Alright.
Oh man. 128 HP,
This
135 attack. Oh, I forgot. Potions is P in the shop, and it's heal out here. Da-da-da-da. I'm glad we increased the type speed for this particular battle.
No, he did 57.
Oh, are you serious?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Well, I ain't healing no more. Let's do some damage to him. Let's do some damage.
He's like deleting anytime. 125 damage.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Vegeta.
We have to burn them down.
We might die, guys. I'm not gonna lie. I should not have tried to cross that bridge so many times.
I don't think the weapon scaling is working right.
It's working, but it's not working to the extent that I think we wanted.
Yeah. I want the flat damage to be whatever the power pull is.
No worries, guys. 11 damage.
Oh, there we go. 11.
Yeah, we're getting them down.
The biggest thing we've done.
16! There we go!
Got some heavy hits in there. And another 11.
Oh, man.
There we go. We're getting them, guys. We won't die this time.
No, 13.
13, let's go.
Fine, whatever. 18, there we go. No, not my precious Dragon Balls. You found a Dragon Ball. Woohoo! We have all of our Dragon Balls. And we defeated the final boss. With Vegeta being defeated, you glance to the sky and see a majestic dragon. Greetings, TJ. You have collected all my balls. As your reward for handling them with care and honor, I bestow but one wish, an all-powerful wish that can grant you anything you desire. Now then, what shall it be? Now this is a read line, so we can type in literally whatever wish you want. So TJ, make a wish, anything you want.
Strawberry ice cream.
All right, strawberry ice cream. Rather odd request, but I'll grant it nonetheless. Thank you for playing DragonBallTJ, created by Mary Beeson and Jalen Waggoner. Woohoo!
Oh my gosh. Yeah, that was great, y'all.
Thank you all.
Seriously. Now, I will say, so as far as going through the code, let's just go to questions for now, and then we'll probably, honestly, Zach and Sebastian, if you guys are okay with this, I think ideally we could probably have you guys presenting after lunch, if that's okay.
Yeah, whatever you want.
Oh yes, yeah. I'm sorry. I didn't even think about what time it was.
No, I mean, I wanted to see the full experience. So.
That, and like, we definitely cut down our code considerably because we knew it was going to be too long.
Cut it down.
We cut it down.
Yeah.
We cut it down a lot. A lot. We had a lot more boss encounters. We had a lot more random encounters. We had I was building out, we cut this part down before we finished it, but I had a lot more areas to go to.
Wow.
So yeah, we cut it down considerably. So yeah, what questions do you have? If not, I'll just give a general, and Jalen can help me give a general overall understanding of it.
Well, I guess for me, my question is, like, how much of it, I guess, which parts of it did you guys, like, actually end up needing to account for where it was like, okay, in this case, we can just, write a message to cause the interaction, but then in some cases, it was, like, based on the user choice. So, like, determining which ones you had to, like, sort of hold a property to hold the choice, or like have some Boolean variable or something for like their health or what, and then the damage chances, like how you guys handled that logic.
So if we go to say encounters and go down to combat.
Oops. Oh, right.
So
Oops.
This is the method we're calling every time we go into combat. So if we scroll up a little bit, we can see that we just have a couple variables in here. We have a name, a power, and a health input, and a Boolean at the beginning to see if the encounter is random or not. If the encounter is random, then we're getting a name using that get name method, and we just pull from a list of names. It's not a list. It's a switch case.
Oops, I scrolled down too far. Here it is.
Oh, it's fine. And then we just have a random chance of what it's going to be. So we didn't see all the monsters yet. We saw Todd and a hired mercenary.
Yeah.
Favorite one.
And so that's how. Yep. That's how we get our name. And then the power and the health of those random encounters there's a modifier, and the modifier is used for all the scaling throughout the game, the difficulty scaling. So we're getting their health, and that is equal to 2 times mod plus 5 for their health value, and then for their power is 2 times mods plus 2 for how much damage they're going to do.
Man.
And then,
our player.
This is our player. Oh yeah. And then for like having those choices in between. So my initial idea for the areas and everything was to create an array map, like a 2D array map, and have you be able to move throughout it. I was able to create the map. Implementing it was super difficult for me, and I didn't want to use code that I didn't understand to do it. So we ended up, Jalen created this. He was the one who did the north, west, east one, which I absolutely loved. I thought it was amazing. So he had a bunch of nested while and if else loops going through there, and it was fantastic. I loved it. And then mine, I started just creating areas as encounters. So it wasn't necessarily, I just wanted to give the illusion that you were in an area. So mine, I did the Valley and the Emporium.
Wow.
Where's my Valley at, bruh?
And where did you guys find that the Vegeta face and this Dragon Ball face?
It's on I could send you the link, but it's on ASCII.UK.co.
Man, yeah, send me that link.
And
I'll
then,
probably try to...
yeah, no problem. And then I found this one, and then I just created that one because, you know, we did this last minute. We were like, I want it to be cool. So we did this at the end of the day yesterday. And I was just
man.
all right. And then...
Yeah, I believe that...
from scratch? Y'all did the DragonBallTJ from scratch?
Just the TJ.
Yeah.
Just the TJ.
That's crazy.
And the bridge chance, I believe that was a 30% chance to cross successfully, and then we would skip over.
Let's see. Where?
That's an area.
The bridge is in areas. You're right.
Yeah.
So that would be if we went east. Oh
So
no, I'm sorry, north. So let's find north. Yeah, right here. So.
Yes, it's jump fail. And I had that set to if it's less than or equal to 75, then this line of code is written out, where you fail, and then if else you make it across successfully, and then this whole area terminates, and then we go on to the next area.
Wow, this is a great. Once again, like I'm sounding like a broken record, but that's an amazing thing for this instance. Like there is a lot of work put into this. Again, like I can really tell that you guys were definitely using the best with your time, or doing the best work with your time, and just the amount of thought that it would take to come up with this sort of like what you would have to account for to actually make it. Like you guys you held everybody's attention for the past 30 minutes. I'm pretty sure. Like I was glued to the seat trying to figure out like what was gonna happen next. So, and that you guys did that all from like C# and the shit you've learned in the past 2 months or something. So, like that's something really to be proud of. And same for everybody else that's presented, or just everyone. Period. Because Zach and Sebastian, I've seen what y'all are working with. It's you guys have some more impressive stuff coming up soon.
Ooh, I'm so excited. Yeah, everybody's doing so awesome. And I love it.
Yeah, this is crazy to see.
I think it's really cool. Like, Mary and I both found that we both really love the writing aspect in this. And, like, that can be, like, a part of coding, you know? Like, you are a programmer that also loves to write stories. So that you can marry that and then come up with these cool... I mean, that's what a lot of games are, really, is... just marrying those two together.
Exactly.
This was a lot of fun.
This is so cool. Yeah, and then like the paying attention to the term UI is there for a reason. Like it's the user interface. Like that's something that you really have to be aware of, or else people just won't want to use your stuff. So this is really cool to see that you guys have been able to build this out. Well, everybody's been able to build these projects out. I think for now,
recording